Students, I just want to formally introduce Ms. Donna Brazile. Let's give her a nice warm.
For students that are interested in politics and civil leadership, what's some advice that you have for us?
Find a cause, find a community, find something that you are so passionate about and devote yourself to it.
It really is a pleasure to welcome you to the Alabama Shakespeare Festival and to our 2023 Durr Lecturer Series. So I would like to personally thank everyone in attendance here tonight.
So I'm proud that this lecture series is named after two remarkable citizens of the United States of America. It's an opportunity to explore how we continue their work and continue the work of Fred Gray, continue the work that they started so long ago. It's in our hands now. And as I told the students earlier today, why you? Because there's no one better. Why now? Because tomorrow is not soon enough. It's in your hands to protect freedom, justice, and equality. And there's no going back to the rearview mirror. It's going forward, and we must go forward together. This is your moment. Seize it. It's an opportunity to move the country forward. And it starts with us.